If I had to give an agency advice on migrating from TAM to Epic, do it. You will not regret it. It might seem like maybe a lift at first, but there are so many rewarding pieces to it as far as the marketing integration, the CSR 24, whether it's certificates or the client portal. The workflows alone just provide your team a path that there's no guessing. It's great for new employees. It's great for those that have been there a while. Everybody's doing it the same way, and that alone creates efficiency. Hi, I'm Amber Bosma. I'm the COO and CFO of Prins Insurance Inc. I've been working in the insurance industry about 28 years. Started out as a processor for our agency, went on to handle my own set of accounts, and today doing the accounting, HR, IT, and ops for the agency. So I've kind of seen the whole spectrum of the agency role. Our team is fantastic. I can't say enough about them. They care deeply about their customers, they care about each other, and that's what creates our Team Prins culture that we're very proud of. The reason we decided to change from TAM to Epic, we were on TAM in 1993 already, so we've been a long-standing client of Applied Systems. And I think for us it's always important to remain relevant in the industry and use the latest technology. It is the base to make our team successful. When we made the decision to move to Epic, the migration piece was interesting for us. We are a smaller agency, so we do not have teams of people that do migrations. So it's our management team and then a couple of our team members. And so it was important for us to understand the role. So we met with our applied sales person and really kind of established a good timeline as far as that migration went. Training for our team was extremely important. So we utilized the Applied University, we utilized online training, we did one-on-one, and I think all of those things put together create this value for us that could launch our team into success. And so while it was only about an 8-week period, we're about a year in now, but I see the value of that in our team to see how far they are along in the process today. So I think it's important to look at all aspects of that and pick the ones that fit best for you. And for us, it was kind of taking pieces of all of that to create this migration process that made everybody comfortable and not scary, right? Some of the benefits we have seen, I think Epic provides this complete round process, right? We talk about the digital process, and Epic creates these workflows that don't leave much to question. And it's not a, well, what should I do next? Because the system guides you through that. And for our team, that was extremely important. To them, it felt like a new system, even though it wasn't. It just looked a little different. And so Epic just provides these excellent workflows. There's not a lot of room for questions. Everything is where it's supposed to be. It helps create the documentation, and it just provides this efficient way of doing things and consistent way of doing things so you can spend more time focusing on your clients and not where and what you're clicking on. So I think one of the areas that we have seen efficiency and gained a fair amount of time is even in the attachment preview function. And I know that wasn't part of the maybe original Epic system, but it came along, through the years, and our team loves that. They don't have to open everything to see what's in there. It just helps make them more efficient, quicker access to the information they need so they can get back to the client with the information as well.